Am I going to jail?
Yeah, that's why we're gonna walk this way, and I want to get you out of
What?
kids. Hey, come on.
That simple yes from the officer is the result of a violent chain of events that the camera did not see. Earlier that afternoon, a 911 call reported a heated argument right here on this driveway. Witnesses described a terrifying scene where a teenager pulled out a firearm and pointed it at a driver while another man smashed the car door. Amanda told the police it was only a toy gun, but that one claim gave the detectives the legal right to pull a search warrant and look inside. What they found would change the entire nature of this investigation.
So I guess see DJJ kept them last night?
Yeah.
They did? Okay. Alright, so it's just and your 3 children that live here, right?
Yeah.
They do? Okay.
Is there anybody home right now?
Only the kids.
Only the
It's
kids?
just the 3 of them right now?
Yeah. Am I going to jail?
Yeah, that's why we're gonna walk this way, and I want to get you out of
What?
kids. Hey, come on. Come on.
Why am I going to jail?
So I'm gonna explain that here in a minute. Alright? If we're gonna get out of sight of your kids, I'm gonna give you that respect. Alright?
Can I at least have my daughter bring me my phone so that way I can call somebody?
We'll get anything you need.
What am I going to jail for?
You're gonna go to jail on 4 counts, child abuse. Okay? And I'm gonna explain it
I
all.
was cleaning last night. I literally was.
Well,
Can I get shoes at least?
We'll get everything for you.
we'll get everything, okay?
It is wild to see Amanda worry about her phone and flip-flops while she is being hauled off to jail. Her children are still inside that disaster of a house, but she does not ask a single question about who will watch them. Her priorities are totally messed up.
We're gonna have a whiskey on Trump.
Should be 10:15.
So it'll be 10:15.
Alright,
So
so
back.
what's gonna happen? I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's 4 counts of felony child abuse, okay? 1, as a mother, you're supposed to provide adequate
I was cleaning the house. You guys.
care for your children. I don't think you've met that level based on our observations yesterday. It just the culmination of everything. I feel
literally
like you're
was.
kind
I
of culpable
promise.
and negligent.
No,
in
can
doing
you
that,
please
okay?
listen for me a minute?
Is there any shoes that you want or need?
Yeah, can you ask my niece and nephew to get me my flip flops?
Well, I don't want them to see this, okay? So.
Hold on a second. Did Amanda not just say she was cleaning last night? Take a look at this hallway. This is not housework. This is a literal garbage dump. A single broom is not going to fix months of living in filth. Nice try, Amanda, but the camera does not lie.
Can you get your mom's flip-flops real quick?
My investigation based on my observations yesterday, okay?
Just get the... Thank you.
And then maybe I'll just I'm being serious. Call in Lonnie.
I do believe you're going to want to improve your situation, and I hope you do.
I literally was. I actually was cleaning the day. I actually had.
Well, Amanda, we've been here several times, okay? It is never... You can say you're cleaning now, but I've never seen any improvement to this property.
All right, but
And it's basically the totality of his investigation and our investigation we conducted, okay? It's not because one day or any particular day or any particular thing.
Please, can you please get my cell phone so at least I can have it when I get out?
Okay, do you want to get is there a wallet that they can grab for you too?
My ID's in my wallet. Everything's in my wallet.
Okay, I can get your wallet and
And
your
my
phone.
phone. That's it. Everything's in my phone.
Do you want just your phone then? Or do you want your wallet too?
I just want my phone.
You can get her phone too. I'll come back in a second and talk to you, okay?
adults in the house?
No.
No? Alright.
That's why I actually called my boyfriend.
Amanda Gaisford was arrested for 4 counts of child neglect and is being held on a $10,000 bond. The 16-year-old juvenile is facing a charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon for pointing a firearm at a driver. Donovan McKelvin was arrested for criminal mischief for causing over $1,000 in damage to the vehicle and was released on a $2,500 bond. Under Florida Statute 827.03, child neglect is defined by the failure to provide essential care and a safe environment. When investigators found a loaded Smith Wesson firearm sitting unsecured on a stack of DVDs and narcotics residue scattered near 4 children, it became a clear criminal failure. A home with no running water and feces in the toilets is not just a mess, it is a danger to human life. The real tragedy here is the normalization of danger. These children were living in an environment where a loaded weapon was as common as a movie case. This kind of trauma goes far deeper than any legal punishment. It is a complete breakdown of parental responsibility. Do you think the bond amounts for these charges are fair, or should they be much higher to protect the community? We want to hear your perspective, so please leave a comment below. If you value these deep dives into the legal system, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for Blue Line Raw. Thank you for your support, and we wish you all a safe and positive day.